So we're out here doing an event that's kind of like Married at First Sight event. Fly a plane.
All right. I can't wait to fly one.
Yeah. So who's flying first?
Who wants to go in the cockpit first? Mario.
Yeah, I guess I'll try it first since I do have the camera.
All right, cool beans. Let's do it. Boom. And then,
So we have a mutual friend in common with pilot Carr. Mr. Quincy Carr is friends with Jasmine, who told us about his flight school. So we're excited to learn from him.
Yeah.
And travel.
Power to our people,
area.
man. Yeah.
there's a red switch right there. Yeah, right there. Put that on. Up here. Hey,
So basically, you have to unhook a pin right there. You probably missed that already. Before you start a flight, and then you have to turn the switch to turn the plane on. Now here's the thing, right?
Now you want to turn on all the white switches right now.
The white switches.
The white switches.
Up and up.
Up.
Up. That's
Up. And now those are the lights. Now what we can do is also you want to lower down. You want to you want to lower down. There's a switch over there that's flat next to the round red. There's a round ball.
Hello.
That's red.
Very
I go over one more.
Our first flight
And push that down. Okay.
as pilots.
So now.
Mario did something. Flaps.
So these are going to help you slow down. So no, you want to take this out. We're not in yet. Because now we're going to get outside the plane.
Man. Private plane.
Those switches that you turn on, those were the lights. So there's a light here. Now you're gonna go back inside, right?
Yeah.
You're gonna turn off all the white switches and the red switch.
Turn off all the white and red switches.
The fat red switch, we're going to turn that off. So we're going to go off the white switches and then off the red switch.
Holly.
Well, we're going to just down.
Okay. So all white switches down, right?
Yep. And then the red one down.
The big one to all to the left, right?
Yep. It's off. Okay. Now we're outside the airplane again. And this time we're going to be looking at this here wing strut here. Okay. It's like a little pre-flight. We're going to untie this. Now we're going to come out this way, right? Up and down. Make sure that when this moves up and down, like that's how that turns. So it's free. You want some movement here. This is how we slow down with flaps, right? That bar's attached. Coming down here, looking at the tires. That's good. No brakes. No squirts down there. Coming down here. Back door. Woo-hoo. that it goes back, and then now we're up like that, and now we're down. So then we can untie that one there. And so what this is called is the Cessna 172 pre-flight inspection.
Cessna 172 pre-flight inspection. It's like pre-tripping the school bus. Say that one more time over the plane.
So it takes 15 minutes to our pre-trip. Just like for the small bus.
Same amount of time for the small school bus.
Oil should be between 6 and 8 quarts. Right here.
6 and 8.
Because they just flew it, it's still kind of warm.
Yeah.
So. Not too tight. Belts there. No cracks in the exhaust valve. So then at this point, when we're done with the flight, we want to just step way back, right?
Yeah.
Just make sure that, okay, we haven't got this tied down, because it happens all the time. People be in a hurry to fly, and they'll leave something tied down, and they get the plane trying to go, and they can't go nowhere.
Yeah. What is this? This the tailpipe? I guess at this point, I should probably move up beside the plane. And then we'll see how it goes.
You need that for your I got it. You need this paper.
When you're flying, we're gonna this is called the yoke, and so when we take off, we pull back at 60 knots. And so this is gonna be up. This is down. This is left and right. Now, what did you want to do for your flight? Like, you want to do some real flying, or you want to do real flying? All right. So then maybe what we'll do is if we want to, bro, we could just stay here. Just stay here. Just do what? To take off from the unmanned landings, I can just give it to you. I can give it to you, but what you gonna do? What you gonna do with it?
Well, you're here, so you're gonna help, you know.
Right? So why don't we just stay here? And we'll give him a bunch of landings, and then you can switch, and then we'll give you a bunch of landings.
Sounds good.
Okay.
Right? Because I'm trying to give you guys the most for an hour. So if we fly around, you're gonna be like, yeah. Well, I mean that's cool if you want, or if you want to be like flying, like doing stuff like boom, boom, boom. You know, we'll do. we'll do a couple of landings. If it's too much,
Yeah.
we can stop. Or if you want to leave the airport, we can. Again, I'll place your man rate.
Play it by ear.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sounds good.
Yeah, sounds good.
Here we go.
All right. So I guess you gotta hop in the back, right?
I do. Do you want your phone, sir?
You type me in, you see I'm on. I got videos, all kinds of stuff. Been on the news.
Okay. What's your name, sir?
Quincy.
Quincy. All right, Quincy. Well, thanks for allowing us to interview. Yeah, he has an awesome story, and you know, him being like a pilot, and you know, things kind of happen or whatever. But I'll just say, like, long story short, he recovered and he bounced back, and that didn't stop him from doing what he likes to do or what he loves to do.
Yeah, he became a pilot and he's still doing it.
Yeah. So it shows that anything's possible when you put your heart into it.
Passion.
Okay, so excuse the voiceover, but the reason how Quincy was paralyzed from waist down was because one day he was getting his hair cut and some dude wanted his girlfriend's number and he told him no, and so the guy got mad and he shot him and from the waist down, and that's how he got paralyzed. But still, that didn't stop him from pursuing his dream.
And so now, because of him,
Howdy.
we're about to fly this airplane.
These are noise cancelers.
See the noise cancelers?
Yeah.
All right. We got like 28 minutes of footage, so we could use that wisely. So in the meantime, I want to turn it off until we start.
Learn to fly. Mario's in the pilot seat next to the instructor. Pilot Mr. Quincy. This is so exciting. Oh my goodness. Got everything plugged in like it should be. And it's kind of noise cancelers. It's good.
altimeter 293. RNAV VPS runway 28 west approaching you. Landing and departing runway 28.
They're speaking to us. We can hear. We're in.
I gotta put my seatbelt on.
Yep. Seatbelt on.
safely. I can take your earmuffs off.
Oh yeah.
Thank you.
Cool, thanks.
I can hear again.
So,
That was good noise canceller though. I really appreciated that. Cause
Yeah.
the plane, the Cessna is really loud, huh?
so just real quick, Quincy, right? I wanted to ask you real quick question. If I can kind of get you in the shot. What made you want to become like a pilot?
You know what? I've always liked flying planes, and I've always had a passion for wanting to be inside the sky, you know.
Yeah.
And I always felt like I wanted something I could do that wouldn't feel like work.
Right.
So.
Well, I'm glad you're doing something that you really like love to do, and you know, like despite like the challenges, like what kept you motivated?
What kept me motivated was the idea that you can do anything that you put your mind to doing, and you know, quitters don't win. And so it's just the idea that when you can say I can instead of I can't,
Yeah.
you know, it's like you gotta find a way or make a way when you think there is no way. You know what I mean?
Gotcha.
So.
All right, well, thank you guys. Thank you, Quincy, so much. We're running out of footage. Like, I wish I could, like, you know, ask more questions, but definitely like, comment, subscribe to our channel. Peace. So this is the pilot's logbook.
We get to log your first flights today. Our first flight in the air.
And here's the table of contents. Everything that you need to know. And it's for $16. You get to keep track of your flights.
1-6.
That way, and you go to other schools and you be able to show it off.
And everything counts.
That's right.
This is so cool.
So yeah, we got the pilot keychains. He's signing into our pilot book right now.
Yeah.
From Hayward to Oakland.
Yes,
Yeah.
Hayward to Oakland.
So yeah, we're doing good so far. Not bad for the first try. All right.
These are all the airports that do flight school?
No. I think right there is green. That's the first license. And
Oh.
then the white is like, the next license is like blue. This is like, you can't see outside red. Is you need the next license.